When it comes to the Mini, there's many different variants. There's the Clubman, there's the Countryman, there's the Mini Cooper, and of course, the Barbie Mini. No, not that one. This one. Hello Eloise, welcome to Classic Car Stories. This is fabulous, the Barbie car, but the first thing I need to ask you is, why Barbie? How did that come about?
Well, we bought her and she was pink, so I thought I had a little pig that goes on the aerial and I thought I'd call her Piglet because she's pink. And then I was cleaning her and found her Barbie hair clip and I thought, nope, that's it, Barbie, she's Barbie.
Yeah.
The one and only.
Winnie the Pooh just wouldn't have worked, would it?
No.
It wouldn't have worked?
No.
So before we get into all these modifications, because there are so many on the car, let's talk about what this is. It's an R50, which was the first car that BMW produced as a Mini. It was in development with Rover, and when it came out, the purists didn't like it. They said, oh, it's not Mini enough, it's too big. What's your thoughts on the Mini, and where did you find it?
Well, I wasn't really into cars when I first got her, and I only passed my test a few years ago. So I was driving a little Peugeot 107, and then my boyfriend Richard, he bought me a Mini convertible, which was still just to me another car, until I found this. And I was looking on Marketplace and I found her, so I made Richard drop everything and drive to Bristol, and we picked her up, brought her back, but she was very run down. She'd had a fire under the bonnet and the wrap was really faded. She was quite unloved, but I fell in love with her the minute I saw her and had to have her.
So what a turnaround. And then you did your first modification, which was what?
Which was the wheels. We changed her alloys and put better wheels on her.
Yeah, and you found by doing these modifications, when you then went to car shows, people that brought a smile to their face. They was like excited about it, and that made you spur you on to do more, right?
Yeah, because she's different as well. Because she's pink. Not many people. There wasn't really, when we first got her, not very many pink cars. So she kind of stood out. So everybody was smiling at her and that. So the more we saw different things to add to her and take her to different shows, the more smiles and that we get. Even driving down the road, we get a lot of attention. So it makes us happy to make people happy.
Right, let's get into these mods inside first of all, because there's so much going on in here, isn't there?
Yeah.
There really is. So if you open up these fabulous doors, which are amazing, wow, and let's have a look at what's going on. First of all, let's start with the steering wheel. What's that all about?
Yeah, well, she had a normal steering wheel, and we went to a Castle Combe and there was a stall there and we found that and it matched the interior, so it was like, had to have that. Yeah. And it comes off as well, so I take it off and take it in at night time with me.
Look at that, you can take the steering wheel off. How cool's that? Okay, brilliant.
So yeah, that comes in at night with me.
Yeah. The dashboard here, the speedometer, what's all that?
We had them. Yeah, we had them custom made by SJ Conversions, the Sugar Skull clocks. Yeah. So it's something a little different.
It is. And the seating, what have we got with the seats?
The seats are BB bucket seats that we had custom made with the Barbie on them, front and back. Yeah.
Your gear stick is quite something, isn't it?
It's a Cody gear stick, yeah.
Cody gear stick. The dashboard, we've got models of Minis.
Yeah, lots of little mini Barbies.
Octopuses. And you've got some signatures in this. What have you got?
Yeah, Mike Brewer from Wheeler Dealers and Tim Shaw from Car SOS.
Fantastic. How did you meet up with them?
We went to One Automotive for Mike Brewer, done a car show, so we met him there. Yeah. We went to the British Motor Show. I was picking up my tickets and we saw Tim Shaw, so he came over and signed the dash.
We just need Margot Robbie now, don't we? Just to sign the door or something. That would
Margot Robbie and any other Richard Hammond and any other car.
So if you're watching, Margot, can you come down and sign the car? That's all we're asking. It's not a lot, is it? That would be absolutely fantastic. Let's talk about the outside of the car. Let's talk about the exterior, what we're going on. Let's talk about these doors, and let's talk about your boyfriend, Richard. Because if it wasn't for you, this car wouldn't exist, would it?
It wouldn't, no.
No. So when Eloise came to you and said, look, I've got this Mini, I want to turn it into a Barbie car, what was your reaction?
I thought, oh no.
But it's fair to say you've done all the work on this. You did some stickers, I believe.
Yeah, I've done some
Right, okay. But your background is in what? Because you didn't just decide you're going to create this car, did you?
No, I'm an ex-Royal Marine engineer.
Right.
Fabricator and fitter.
That makes sense. Now, these doors are fantastic. Can you talk us through what was involved? Because I believe quite a lot was.
Yeah, it was a lot of, obviously lining, and we also had to me and my friend had to wrap the car because it's actually wrapped. So when
Right.
you're using like a welder or a grinder,
Yeah.
it would damage the wrap.
Okay.
So first thing we had to do, we had to like take the car apart, all the front end,
Yeah.
and then cover anything with covers so we didn't damage the wrap.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then we had to cut the original door hinges off.
Oh, crikey. Okay.
And there's no room for error because you cut too much or the thickness of a grinder, the door will be too close to the car and it will not shut.
Right. Yeah.
We also had to get it level, get all the doors shut in the right correct place.
Yeah.
And also because it had the writing on,
Right.
we had to try and line up the writing as well.
Yes. And you can see just how close it is down there, can't you?
Yeah, you got literally no room at all.
No. So no room for error.
No room for error. No.
You messed it up
You
completely.
messed it up.
Yeah, and that's the end of it, sort
End
of
of
thing.
it,
Yeah. Now, on the channel, we have something called the Clunk Test, where we shut the door and see how nice it closes in one single swing. Now, at the moment, our Rover P6 is the best for that. This is slightly different. This is not really a clunk. What would you call this?
A click.
It's a click. Let's try it. Here we go. Oh, not quite there, but listen, these are really cool doors anyway, so it's not fair to the Clunk Test on this particular car, right? So let's talk about this here. What's this all about?
These are custom indicator scuttles I have made by Tiago Ferrari. And
Right.
then obviously I've got the custom vented wings.
Yeah, do you know him personally?
No, I don't know him personally, but yeah, he made
They're
these.
fabulous, they're really
He's
cool.
made me a set from my other Mini as well, which
Yeah.
say Cindy on them.
Oh,
Because,
love it. Now, down here we've got the skirts.
yep, the side wings
Yep.
with the bars, I forget
Yep.
what they're called.
Right, moving round the back, we have the love hearts.
Yeah, they normally colour change.
Right, okay.
And then they have the colour changing lights up here, the back wings.
And we're very lucky, something interesting is going to happen by this little section here.
the car blows bubbles.
It blows bubbles.
Blows bubbles.
Yeah, kids love that. And even adults love it. Here it goes. Hey, here we come. Look at that. Bubbles. Do you go through a lot of bubble mixture?
Not really. Some days she's quite good. Depends on what
Go
kind of
car
event.
show. You got it on all day. The kids coming over, loving
Yeah, so
it.
some days she'll be going non-stop.
Yeah. Now down here we've got the exhaust pipe lights up with a love heart.
Which is custom made.
Custom made.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Can we open up the boot?
We
Because I
can.
believe we've got some interesting stuff there. Oh, the bubbles are getting bigger. Right, what's this?
This is Barbie's sub.
Yes.
It's decorated up.
Okay.
Pink in phase. And then obviously we have a battery because we have
Yeah.
a split charger because we have
Now,
so
I'm-
many lights. And then, which obviously lights up pink under here. You can't
Yeah.
see it very well in the daytime.
Yeah.
But it all lights up pink under
I'm pretty
here.
sure, you know, you've not seen many pink batteries.
But while the boot's open, you
Not
can
many of
see,
those.
you can just see the lights in there
Yeah,
as well.
because there's so much on here with the lighting inside the LEDs.
Yeah.
And that brings us nicely around this side because the lights here are inside the wheels, aren't they, the LED? Tell us about that.
Yeah, well, we've got these, and then obviously because the back wheels don't have dust shields, we had to find something to use as a bracket.
Yeah.
And we were
What was that?
We were in Tesco's and we found barbecue pizza dishes, stainless steel, so they were like the perfect size. So Richard customised them to
He's
fit.
a clever guy, isn't he, Ulrich?
He is very clever.
Pizza dishes. I mean, you know, you couldn't make this
We
up.
got deep pan back wheels.
Yeah. Like we said earlier, this is the car that just keeps on giving. It really is. Okay, so we've got the skulls again here with the Barbie effect, which is really nice. The little lip on that, which
Yeah,
is lovely.
bling, bling everywhere.
Dust caps bling as well.
Yeah.
And at the front, we have these LED eyes.
Flashing eyes. So we can change these to any colours. I
Right.
prefer pink because she's pink, so I tend
Yeah,
to
of
keep them
course.
on pink. But you can
Yeah.
have a variety of different eyes. We have the colour changing halos.
Yeah.
More bubbles at the front.
Yeah, and more bubbles at the front. So we've
bubbles
got
at the
bubbles front and back of the car as well.
Now we're sharing this cake. Eat a straight from your lips, no plate. I'm first class, looking like a Barbie. All my friends, they really try to warn me, but I just want another this with you. Do you want another this with me? Won't let you down. And it feels like the prom that you'll never show again. I'm drunk, and they're waiting for us. Hey, you, jumping on Cadillacs, here's to the best that we'll ever have. Everyone's watching when we're walking in. Hey, but they don't know you like I know you. Now they know.
So when you're out and about driving, Eloise, people must be all the time bibbing you and sort of looking at you. Oh, what's it like?
get a lot of attention. It's a lot of fun. If we're on the motorway and you're stuck in traffic, you get people taking photos and videos, and people smiling on the traffic. Or if I drive past the school at school time, you get kids screaming, like, running towards the car. Yeah.
But this car really comes into effect, doesn't it, at night time?
At night time, yeah. She's like Blackpool illumination. She lights up like Blackpool illumination.
Yeah.
Obviously, we can't drive with all of the lights on.
No.
Because it's illegal. But
yeah,
we drive with some of the lights on. So some people get half the effect. Like we have certain lights, like the Barbie lights in the windows we've just added. The wheel lights we drive. The pink halos we have on.
Right.
And love our exhaust, and the lights in the bumpers. They're the ones we can have on while we're driving, because they don't distract other drivers.
No, of course.
And they're not flashing.
Although apparently you came home from one show once and forgot you had them on, and then you got pulled over by the police. Is that right?
Yeah, we forgot to do it. We were coming back from Blackpool, and we forgot that they were on and got T-packed into this end of life services.
No.
So yeah, got a lovely fine for that. So
how much was you fined for that?
I think it was £50 fine for that. So yeah, no more forgetting to turn them off.
So you said to me that you're changing things all the time. You've got some other things planned, but we're going to keep them under wraps, aren't we? Because you want to surprise your followers, don't you?
Yeah, we like to keep our new modifications secret till they're done.
Yeah. So you can follow Eloise and the Barbie car on Instagram. What's your
at beautifulbarbie.21.
Right.
And on TikTok.
Okay, we'll find all the links in the comments below, so you can follow Eloise and her fantastic Barbie car and see all the new modifications that she puts in place. But let us know what you think of the Barbie car. Leave a comment in the link below. That'd be fantastic. So Eloise, we talked about the joy this car brings other people, and you're really into that because you've got these charities that you support, don't you?
Yeah,
particularly children's cancer.
Yeah, well, we do domestic violence, cancer, forgotten veterans. We do life limited children, autism, ill children.
Yeah.
So anything that raises awareness, or
and you bring your car along to the charity event, you know.
Yeah.
So if anyone's watching this and they think, oh, that'd be great, you're quite happy to be.
If anyone's got a charity they want Barbie to come along to, they can just message us and we'll come along.
So send us a message. I can then put you in touch with Eloise, or you can go to Eloise's own Instagram page, and that'd be brilliant. Listen, it's been fantastic meeting you today. A real pleasure. I've really enjoyed being in your Barbie car.
Thank you for coming in and seeing the Barbie.
It's been amazing. Yeah, I really am a Barbie girl now. So let us know what you think of the Barbie Mini. Don't forget to like and to share, and of course subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button so you never miss an episode. But stay with Classic Car Stories, because if you like things that are a bit different, then why not watch this video?